skinned out on the track.
Thanks, Steve. The drivers are getting tuned up, geared up, and they're off. And it's Red Bungee Blaster. Wowee! How'd he do it? Well, take another look at his picture. Right here. That's Giant Technic Robot, the expert. What a maniac! The new collection from Lego Technic. Each set sold separately.
Presenting the Lego Technic line, the ultimate in high-performance engineering. With oscillating twin-piston engines, rack and pinion steering, state-of-the-art life-saving features, and a gear-shifting network for movement and precision control. So if you visit your local dealer, you can check out the latest models. Lego Technic, technically speaking, it rules. Each building set sold separately.
Get your hands on the new Lego Technic.
Lego Technic. After you make it move. Pistons that pump. Gears that'll get you going. Motors that muscle. And blades that'll blow you away. Technically speaking, it'll turn you on. The Lego Technic Collection. Each set sold separately, batteries not included.
The new giant crane truck from Lego Technic. Unleash the power. Activate the motorized outriggers and handle the flexible crane arm on the new giant crane truck. Now available from Lego Technic.
The new giant dozer from Lego Technic with power functions. Hit the remote and do a cool 360. Lower the ripper, lift the blade, and build with power. The new giant dozer from Lego Technic. Get it today. The new powerful off-roader from Lego Technic. With power functions, motorized suspension, cool mechanical functions, and a powerful motorized winch. Feel the power with the new off-roader from Lego Technic.
The new giant tow truck from Lego Technic.
It's the king of the highway.
Loaded with functions like pneumatics and a cool mechanical crane.
That's a big 10-4.
Get hooked on the new giant tow truck from Lego Technic. Get it today.
The new excavator from Lego Technic. You control the power. The motorized gears. Steer the tracks. Operate the giant arm and the powerful bucket. On the new mighty excavator. Now available from Lego Technic. In 2011, Lego Technic will unleash a beast. A combination of elegance and power. Start up, shift into gear, and control the motorized functions. Are you ready? The new Supercar, now available from Lego Technic. Take the Technic Challenge on Lego.com. The new Unimog U400 from Lego Technic. The ultimate off-road vehicle. The biggest Lego Technic model ever. Power functions that control the pneumatic features and the motorized crane on the new Mercedes-Benz Unimog U400. Now available from Lego Technic.
Lego Technic gives you a new challenge. The new ultimate 4x4 crawler. It's remote control with massive power. It climbs any obstacle. You control every move. The new remote control 4x4 crawler. Now available from Lego Technic.
Lego Technic. Boat in trouble, Sector 5. Action required. Select vehicle.
New from Lego Technic, the rescue helicopter. Work the rotors, operate the rear hatch, lower the winch.
Mission accomplished.
The new rescue helicopter from Lego Technic. More than just a toy.
Welcome to the world of Lego Technic. Build the ultimate model or race the new extreme action vehicles. Quick to build, featuring the new powerful pullback motor. Push your vehicles to the limit. Challenge yourself with the new Lego Technic models.
The new Extreme Mobile Crane with 10 wheels and over 2,600 elements. It's the largest Technic model ever. With power functions, you can control the motorized outriggers and crane arm. On the new Mobile Crane, now available from Lego Technic.
The new awesome hot rod from Lego Technic. It's the ultimate driving machine. You can check out the cool functions and get your hands on the all-new pullback racers. It's on. All new from Lego Technic. You can explore more at lego.com/technic.
Der neue Mercedes-Benz A-Rox von Lego Technic. Du kannst die beiden Vorderachsen mit Einzelradaufhängung steuern, die motorisierten und pneumatischen Funktionen aktivieren und den Schwerlastkranarm schwenken. Der neue Mercedes-Benz A-Rox von Lego Technic. Mehr auf lego.com/technik.
Remote controlled wheel loader from Lego Technic. You can use the remote to steer the machine, full of raw power and motorized functions. Dig in with the new powerful remote-controlled wheel loader, now available from Lego Technic.
De 24-uur racewagen van Lego Technic. Uitgerust met coole functies en een krachtige V8-motor. Ben je klaar voor de race? Race erop los! De 24-uur racewagen van Lego Technic.
The new Formula Off-Road from Lego Technic. With powerful functions, it's a tough off-road machine. Get ready for the big pullback race. Who has the most power to cross the intersection first? Push it to the limit. The all-new action vehicles from Lego Technic.
La pelleteuse géante à godets de Lego Technic. Fait tourner la roue à godet. Actionne la bande transporteuse et charge le gros camion de la mine. Construis la pelleteuse à godet de Lego Technic.
The new cool Lego Technic Race. Build your racetrack and get ready for action. Feel the thrill of the competition. Get the maximum power and go! Who has the most power to win? What a close race! The new cool pullback vehicles from Lego Technic.
Das neue Frachtflugzeug von Lego Technic. Mit den Power Functions und dem hochentwickelten Schaltsystem wird das Flugzeug lebendig. Du kannst die Querruder verstellen und das Fahrwerk einfahren. Bereit zum Abheben. Neu von Lego Technic.